Hibiscus flowers are not just beautiful. They also offer a range of health and beauty benefits. Here's a quick rundown. Health benefits of hibiscus flower. Rich in antioxidants. Helps combat oxidative stress which can prevent cell damage and aging. Lowers blood pressure. Hibiscus tea is known for its potential to reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Supports liver health. Studies suggest hibiscus extract may promote liver detoxification and protect against damage. Aids in weight loss. It may help reduce body fat, BMI, and lipid levels when combined with a healthy diet. Boosts immunity. High in vitamin C and antibacterial properties that help fight infections. Beauty and hair benefits. Promotes hair growth. Strengthens roots and stimulates dormant hair follicles. Natural conditioner. Makes hair soft and shiny when used in masks or rinses. Anti-aging properties. Helps firm skin, reduce wrinkles, and improve elasticity. How to use hibiscus flower. Hibiscus tea. How steep dried hibiscus petals in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey or lemon if desired. Drink daily for health benefits like blood pressure and liver support. Hair mask. How blend fresh petals with coconut oil or yogurt and apply to scalp/hair. Leave for 30 minutes and rinse. Use weekly to reduce hair fall and boost shine. Face pack. How mix hibiscus powder with rose water or aloe vera gel. Apply to face for 10 to 15 minutes. Use 1 to 2 times a week for glowing, youthful skin. Cold infusion. How soak dried petals in cold water overnight, strain and drink chilled. Use a refreshing antioxidant-rich summer drink.